Hello, welcome you all to my yoga channel, that is Sant Yoga. In this yoga channel, we discuss how yoga is useful for our life, how yoga can help to improve our lifestyle. And please understand, all these things is my understanding about yoga, whatever I experience in my lifestyle. So those things we will be talking about. Somebody can differ, that is fine. You can write your opinion below in the comment section and we can discuss. In this video, especially we will talk about the virus which is emanated from the China, Wuhan city. So that is China virus that we call as COVID-19. So we will talk about the yoga practice or the things which we do in our lifestyle regularly, and those things we have to do with awareness so that we can protect ourselves against coronavirus. Please note, whatever we are going to discuss, that is additional help to fight against the coronavirus, but please follow your doctor's instruction. Please follow whatever your doctor or physician and whatever local government has given the guidelines or suggestions. Please follow those things. So please don't consider this as a replacement for the doctor advice. No, all these methods and systems or tools, whatever we are going to discuss, this will help to improve our fight against corona. Okay, so let's continue. So first trick is, or the tools is very simple. Keep soap solution. So as you know, doctor advised that we have to wash our hand very regularly, very oftenly. So for that, to make it easy, what we should do, we should make soap solution and keep that soap solution outside your house, and whenever you are going outside or coming inside the house, just dip your hand inside the soap solution and keep all the extra soap solution in your hand, and put that extra soap solution on the doorbell or door lock latch or gate shackle or latch, wherever many people are touching many times. So put this extra soap solution on that surface so that the surface also getting disinfect. So as this is very simple, we can make soap solution and use this one. The next trick is, the tool is hand wash while sloka recitation. So as we know, we have to wash our hands for at least 20 seconds. So managing the time is difficult when this 20 second comes. So we will always thinking, once the 20 seconds finishes, we have to watch our clock, or we have to keep clock in front of you, or somebody should remind that it is 20 seconds is over. So to avoid all those disturbance, to avoid all those difficulty, what we can do, we can recite Gayatri mantra. Okay, so while reciting Gayatri mantra, so that is more than 20 seconds. So once we are completing the Gayatri mantra, during that time we can apply the soap all over our hand, or maybe we can have Omkara 2 times. Okay, so that will be also 10 seconds or 20 seconds time. Okay, or we can sing a song which we like very much. So just starting line, sing that song, and during that time you apply the soap inside your around your hand, so that your hand is completely disinfected with the coronavirus. The next trick is pranayam, that is deep breathing. So this is basically a tool for deep breathing, and with this deep breathing we can fulfill the oxygen requirement in our body. So as you know, when we are infected with the coronavirus, so that time oxygen level we have to maintain. So this method helps to improve the oxygen level in our body. So the tool is, the method is, first is what we have to do, we have to make our tongue outside and do the deep breathing. This deep breathing we have to do 10 times. How we will do? So the method is, put your tongue outside and down and do the deep breathing, like okay. So 10 times deep breathing like this. Then second stage is, fold your tongue upside and inside. Turn your tongue upside and fold inside and do the same deep breathing from our throat. We'll do together. Turn your tongue upside and fold and then deep breathing 10 times. Okay, now take a deep breath, that is third stage. Inhale and hold for at least 30 seconds to 40 seconds. So we should do this one to fulfill the additional oxygen requirement in the body. So doing breathing this way, this gives this improves your oxygen level at very much good level. Another technique which is very simple is pranayam. As you can see in the image, you need to lie down on the ground, on the stomach, or on the bed on the stomach, and what you have to do, you need to do the normal breathing. So how you will do, you will keep one pillow here below your neck and upper part of the chest, other pillow is here below your abdomen, and third pillow is here below your leg. Okay, you have to keep this pillow in such a way there should be gap here in this part, upper part of the stomach and the diaphragm. So you have to keep the gap. So sleeping in this condition and breathing basically increase your lung size, so you are able to breathe more air, so more oxygen inside the body. So when we are at the critical stage during the corona time or COVID illness, so oxygen requirement there is oxygen deficiency in the body. So sleeping in this condition and normal breathing helps to increase the oxygen level. So this is very simple and easy thing to do. Another simple method is sloka recitation. Okay, so sloka means like Rudra chanting or Vishnu Sahasranama chanting or Hanuman Chalisa chanting. So this is my personal experience during the first COVID wave in India. That time I was regularly doing the Rudra chanting. Okay, so I observed that most of the people around me, they had corona issue, they had this corona related issues and illness, but I along with my family, we did not had any issue. So basically we were no issue with our corona related problem during the first wave. And I feel the major reason was Rudra chanting, because daily at least 2 or 2.5 hours we used to do Rudra chanting. So what is my understanding is, Rudra chanting basically a pranayam exercise. So with that we are doing more deep breathing, and with this deep breathing we are able to do the pranayam, and because of doing pranayam regularly for at least 2 hours morning and evening, we were basically able to avoid any corona related issue. So this is my personal experience, so I have a lot of trust in this recitation. So this is a simple, this can also help to avoid corona related problem. And the next item is simple trick is cooking steam. As you know, doctor recommends that during this period we have to do the steaming. We have to take steam and do the steam at least 2 times a day, steaming for 5 minutes. So how to do steaming? We need to have the steamer, or we need to have some arrangement for making the steam. So how we can do? In every house we cook food. So while cooking the food, there is water is there, and that water get evaporated and form the steam. So whenever there is steam, so use that steam to do the steaming of your mouth and nose, and this you can do along with your family members. Okay, so if you have cooker, then steam comes from the cooker, so take the steam along with family. So this will help to reduce the virus infection, that is China virus impact. So that is the way we can do. Or if we have steam iron at home, so that also can generate the steam, so that steam can also be used for the steaming purpose, and this can help to avoid, or this can reduce the risk of coronavirus getting impacted from the coronavirus. Next trick is sweating body temperature. So we know that whenever we have fever, so that time doctor gives up the medicine. Because of that medicine we are having lot of sweating, and this sweating helps to regulate our fever, and this helps to bring down our fever also. So basically while sweating, the water comes out from the body and it takes the additional heat along with itself, and that way we are able to cure the fever from this medicine. So how to the objective is how to do the sweating. So one of the method is, if we have car and that was kept in the sun, and in the evening time where it is relatively cold but it's still hot inside, so you can go inside the car and sit there at least 15 to 20 minutes. If you sit inside the car, you will have lot of sweating, and after the sweating you will feel that your fever or whatever uncomfort was there because of the fever, it is reduced. So that is no additional effort. Or if where we are staying there is tin shed, okay, corrugated tin shed is there, so go and stand below that corrugated tin shed or sit there. So because of heat of the tin shed, you will feel lot of heat, and then there will be a lot of sweating, and this sweating will help to reduce your body temperature. Next one is, this is the for destruction of the virus, the China virus. What to do? As we know, inside the onion that there is the chemical, that chemical acts as a the whatever protein layer, whatever the fat layer is there over the coronavirus. So that onion, that chemical, it eliminates that virus outer layer, and that helps to destroy the this China virus. So what we should do, we should take onion, that black color onion, and with Sendhan salt. So with this combination we should take, and this helps to destroy the virus inside our throat, and that way we can avoid the corona related, Chinese virus related issue. Now at the end of our slide, so this is the last method, salt water gargle. So this is not as simple as what we discussed till now, because those things whatever I discussed till now, we do not need to do anything extra. But in this case you have to make hot water with add salt and do the gargle. So gargle, doing the gargle, with salt water helps to destroy the China virus from the throat, and this also helps to protect us against this China virus. With this, we are at the end of this slide. So please follow the information given in this video and write your comment, but please ensure you must follow whatever your doctor has said. So don't ignore those things. These are the tricks whatever I explained here. This will help to protect against this Chinese virus. So please follow and give your feedback, and if you have any comment, then you can write below in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please subscribe yourself and promote between your family and friends, so that all can getting benefited. With this, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhna, Sarve Santu Niramaya. With this thought, thank you and Pranam.